Hello kids, welcome back to online classes. In last class, we have studied about the Southern Plateau. Yes, we have started lesson number 5, the Southern Plateau. What all did we study? We studied about the Southern Plateau. The Southern Plateau is also known as which plateau? Yes, can you all remember? And it is divided into two unequal parts. Which are those two unequal parts? One is the Central Highland and the other is the Deccan Plateau. And the Southern Plateau is divided by two unequal parts by the river Narmada. Yes, the Central Plateau is also divided into further two parts. That is, one is the Malwa Plateau and the other is the Chota Nagpur Plateau. So, today we are going to study the Southern Plateau Part 2 and the lifestyle in the Southern Plateau. Yes, lifestyle in the Southern Plateau. The Southern Plateau covers the state of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Which are the states that are covered by Southern Plateau? Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Maharashtra. First we will study about Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Which is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai. And Mumbai is also called as business capital of India. Mumbai is also called as business capital of India. And the language spoken in Maharashtra is Marathi. Which language is spoken in Maharashtra? Marathi. And the popular folk dance is Tamasha. You can see here in this picture a popular dance is, which is the popular folk dance of Maharashtra? Tamasha. And Pav Bhaji is the special dish. Which is the special dish? Here you can see in this picture, Pav Bhaji is the special dish in Maharashtra. Many textile, electronics, automobile industries are located in Maharashtra. You can see a textile industry. This is textile industry. And Ganesh Chaturthi is the main festival of Maharashtra. Which is the main festival? Ganesh Chaturthi. And here you can see Ajanta and Ellora are the famous tourist place. Here is Ajanta and Ellora are the famous tourist place. Karnataka. Moving on to next state, that is, which is that next state? Karnataka. The word Karnataka means lofty land. Yes, Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Which is the capital of Karnataka? Bengaluru. It is also known as Garden City of India. Bengaluru is also known as Garden City and even Silicon Valley of India. And it is also known as Silicon Valley of India. The official language of Karnataka is Kannada. Which is the official language? Kannada. And the folk dance, traditional folk dance is Yakshagana. You can see in this picture Yakshagana. This dance is known as Yakshagana. Karnataka is the biggest producer of coffee. You can see here coffee, ragi, sandalwood. These are the biggest producers that these are the biggest production that are coffee, ragi, sandalwood in Karnataka. Karnataka is very rich in minerals. Karnataka is very rich in minerals. Gold mine lie in Kolar gold field. You can see here Kolar gold mine. Yes, I explained in last slide. Hatti gold mine are in Karnataka. Mysore Palace here. Mysore Palace, Jog Fall, Vrindavan Garden. See here, this is Vrindavan Garden, etc. Famous tourist attraction in Karnataka. Next, moving on to next state, that is Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Which are the states? Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana and Amaravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana and Amaravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Yes. Next, both the state has a same official language. They spoke same official language, that is Telugu. Telugu is the official language of both the state, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is a famous folk dance. Here, you can see Kuchipudi is a famous folk dance of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. The crops grown in this state are rice, sugarcane, groundnut, tobacco. See here, Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana, Amravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh, and the official language of both the states are same, which is that Telugu. Yes. Next, it is famous for handicrafts, Bidri work. Here, Bidri work, handicraft on brass and copper. See here, you can see brass and copper. Kalamkari art on cloth. Here you can see Kalamkari art on cloth are very beautifully done in this state. Nagarjun Sagar Dam. Here you can see Nagarjun Sagar Dam, one of the largest dam in the world, is located in this state. Famous pilgrim center is Tirupati Temple. Here you can see Tirupati Temple. Next state is Tamil Nadu. Next state is Tamil Nadu and the capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Which is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Chennai. And the official language of Tamil Nadu is Tamil. The official language of Tamil Nadu is Tamil. And Bharatnatyam is a famous classical dance. You can see here in this picture. Bharatnatyam is a famous classical dance in Tamil Nadu. And famous popular dishes of Tamil Nadu are idli, dosa, sambar and upma. You can see here in this picture. You can see in this picture idli, sambar, dosa and upma are the popular dishes. Pongal is a main festival of Tamil Nadu. Which here you can see this in this picture. This is a festival, Pongal festival celebrated by the people of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is famous for temples. Nataraj temple, this is Nataraj temple, and Rameshwaram temple are famous temple in Tamil Nadu. Ooty and Marina Beach are famous tourist place. This is Marina Beach. Yes, Ooty and Marina Beach are famous tourist places. Next, moving on to next state is Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. It is the center of India. It is in the center of India. Hindi is the official language of Madhya Pradesh. And crops grown in this state are wheat, jawar, bajra, pulse, oil seeds are the main crops grown in this state. You can see here. This is bajra, this is wheat that are grown in this state. The Sanchitupa and Kana National Park are the tourist places in the Tamil Nadu. Next, Chittorgarh and Jharkhand. Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. Next is Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand are tribal states. Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh and Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Huge deposit of coal, iron, mica are found in this state. You can see here. Coal, iron, mica are found in this state. Okay. Thank you for watching video.